There's something the garden centers will never tell you. Something they would rather you never find out. Because the moment you learn this, you may never buy another bag of soil again. For your entire life, you've been told the same thing. Plants need soil. No soil, no roots, no life. It sounds like a law of nature, but it's not true. And a handful of quiet houseplants have been hiding this secret in plain sight, sitting on shelves and windowsills, growing perfectly in nothing but a jar of plain water. Today, I'm revealing 25 stunning plants that grow in water with zero soil. Some of them are probably already in your home right now, and you have no idea what they're capable of. Stay until the end, because the last one proves just how easy this really is. Let's begin. Monstera cuttings can thrive in water for long periods, and the result is a real showstopper. Those iconic split leaves make a dramatic statement in any room they sit in. As the roots stretch out inside a clear vase, the whole display becomes even more captivating. It brings instant tropical drama to an indoor space. Swiss cheese vine roots quickly and grows beautifully with nothing but water to support it. Its leaves are famously dotted with natural holes, giving it an exotic, almost sculptural appearance. The warmth of summer encourages strong, vigorous growth. It's a longtime favorite among collectors who love the unusual. Syngonium adapts to water culture exceptionally well and rewards you generously. Its arrow-shaped leaves actually change form as the plant matures, which keeps things interesting. The dense layered growth creates a full and attractive display in no time. Beginners and seasoned growers alike find it deeply satisfying. Purple Heart lives up to its name with rich, vivid purple stems and leaves. That color looks even more intense when the plant is displayed in clear glass. It roots quickly and grows with real energy through the summer months. Almost no other plant offers this much dramatic contrast so easily. Pothos is one of the easiest plants in the world to grow in water, and it almost feels too simple to be real. You take a single healthy cutting, drop it into a glass of clean water, and within a couple of weeks, tiny white roots begin to appear. As summer warms up, these roots multiply fast and the trailing vines spill over the edge of the container, like a small indoor jungle. This is the plant most people start with, because it is forgiving, low maintenance, and almost impossible to fail. Lucky Bamboo has built its entire reputation on living in water, which is exactly why it shows up in homes and offices everywhere. Its tall, sculpted stalks and glossy green leaves bring a calm, modern feeling to any room. As long as the roots stay submerged and you refresh the water now and then, it can keep growing happily for years. It is one of the most recognizable water-grown plants on the planet, and it earned that title honestly. Spider plant has a strange and clever trick. It sends out tiny baby plantlets on long arching stems, and those babies root in water almost effortlessly. Drop one into a jar and it quietly builds a strong root system while looking fresh and lively all summer. The plantlets can sit in water for a long time, slowly developing into the full plants of their own. Few plants make propagation feel this simple. Philodendron cuttings take to water like they were always meant to live there. The soft heart-shaped leaves give instant tropical character to a shelf or a desk, and new roots begin forming within days. Through the warm months, it keeps pushing out fresh growth without asking much of you in return. If you want something that looks lush with almost no effort, this is it. English ivy turns a plain glass container into a cascade of green that spills downward in elegant trails. It roots readily in water and quickly becomes a living decoration for windowsills, shelves, and tabletops. Summer is when it really shows off, growing vigorously and filling out fast. There's a timeless, almost old-world charm to the way it drapes and flows. Coleus is grown for its foliage rather than its flowers, and what foliage it is! Cuttings root rapidly in water and reveal leaves splashed with red, pink, and purple and green all at once. Those vivid colors make it one of the most eye-catching choices for summer decor indoors. It brings instant personality to a room without ever needing a bloom. Wandering Jew is impossible to ignore, with its shimmering purple and silver leaves. Placed in water, it roots with surprising speed and sends out trailing stems that create a bold, dramatic display. Warm temperatures only push it to grow faster and fuller. Very few plants give you this much color for so little work. Mint grows remarkably well in water, which is good news for anyone who loves it. A few stems dropped into a jar will keep producing fresh, fragrant leaves all summer long. The cool scent drifts through the kitchen every time you brush past it. It is one of those rare plants that is both pretty to look at and genuinely useful. Basil thrives in water for long stretches as long as it gets plenty of bright light. You get a steady supply of fresh leaves for cooking while the roots quietly spread out below the surface. Watching that root system grow inside a clear glass is oddly fascinating. It's beauty and practicality living in the same little jar. Oregano settles into water culture comfortably and rewards you with aromatic, flavorful leaves. Its compact, tidy growth make it a natural fit for windowsills or a crowded countertop. Through the summer, it stays active and keeps producing without complaint. It's one of the simplest ways to keep fresh herbs within arm's reach. Rosemary cuttings can root in water and grow into a fragrant little display over time. The fine needle-like leaves add texture and a quiet elegance wherever you place it. Rooting does take some patience, but the payoff is well worth the wait. That clean, woody scent makes it especially pleasant to keep indoors. Sweet potato vine is one of the fastest growers on this entire list. Set it in water and it explodes into long, lush vines while building a thick, tangled root system below. Those roots are not just functional, they become part of the show, twisting through the clear glass. It's genuinely one of the most fascinating plants to sit and watch. Chinese evergreen adapts to life in water with surprising ease for such a refined plant. Its patterned, painterly leaves bring a touch of sophistication to any corner of a room. Even grown in nothing but water, it stays full, healthy, and attractive. That toughness is exactly why so many plant lovers keep coming back to it. Peace lily can live and thrive in water when its roots are given a little support. The deep green leaves and elegant white blooms create a calm, polished look. Beyond appearance, it brings a soft, refreshing feeling to the whole space. First-time growers are almost always surprised by how well it does without soil. Begonia cuttings root successfully in water and produce some of the most striking foliage around. Many varieties carry richly colored leaves that hold their beauty even without a single flower. The roots develop steady and stay visible in a clear glass container. That combination makes begonias outstanding little display plants. Impatiens roots fast in water and keeps right on growing indoors. The soft foliage and cheerful flowers bring a bright, summery mood to any room. It adapts to water propagation far more easily than most people expect. It's a clever way to stretch the life and color of seasonal plants well beyond their usual run. Tradescantia is one of the quickest plants of all to root in water. Its bold, striped leaves create a modern, confident look the moment you set it down. Even a small cutting can grow into a full, lush plant in a remarkably short time. The transformation almost feels like a magic trick. Lemon balm thrives in water while filling the air with a bright lemony fragrance. You can harvest its fresh leaves again and again throughout the growing season. That citrus scent makes a room feel lively, clean, and inviting. It quietly combines beauty, fragrance, and everyday usefulness all in one. Sage can establish roots in water and stay healthy for a long stretch of time. Its soft textured leaves bring a subtle, understated elegance to the display. The aromatic foliage adds a gentle sensory layer every time you pass by. It's another herb that proves water growing is not just for tropical houseplants. So, now you know the secret they never wanted you to figure out. No soil, no mess, just water, light, and a little patience. If this opened your eyes, do 2 quick things. Hit that like button and subscribe right now so the next gardening secret lands straight in front of you. Your plants will thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.